Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd do another entry for my art journal and use my watercolor brush pens to see how they would work out. And I thought this toadstool picture would be the perfect thing. I did my sketch on tracing paper. You never know when another part of that tracing might come in handy. And I transferred it onto 140-pound watercolor paper. I like to hand tear the edges of the paper and then use masking tape on it to give me a nice clean edge. I feel the colors were a little too vibrant, not at all subtle, and I couldn't use the watercolor, the straight water pen, because I couldn't get the cap off of it. So these are the colors straight from the tube. I did think that it made rather a nice painting for a child's room or nursery. It's bright, it's colourful, and I wish I'd added a little gnome or something in there, but I didn't. I did put a butterfly in. See if you can spot it. I used double-sided tape to paste it into my journal, and I think it looks quite nice. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. That helps my channel grow, and I'd be very grateful if you could find time to do that. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.